Hey boys and girls, a 2-minute quickie. I've just installed some airline on the screw of my toe clamp here. We all have the step type clamp kits for our milling machines. I'm cross drilling 2 holes in this shaft. I've just completed the counter chamfer on the top here. I have to flip it over and do the other side. This airline is helping to keep all my complicated jigs and clamps and setups together here. If we're careful, we can swing it out of the way. The idea being that that hose helps keep things set up between uses. That worked pretty well. I need to do the second chamfer on this next hole. Second chamfer on the first hole. Swing my clamp into position. It does help you sort of need 4 hands for this job. This is an old piece of airline that was kicking around at work. I just grabbed it, and so it cost me nothing. Cut it to size for your particular setup, and bada bing. Okay, we're back. I've gotten a little bit more experience taking advantage of the hose on the clamp here, and I'm loving it even more. Let's I'll just show you. Loosen off the clamp, rotate everything out of the way, do your business, rotate back, I could tape this shim onto the end of my clamp, and there's a hack for you. Save myself some grief. There we go. Works great. I love it. Cost nothing. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Stay safe. Subscribe.